What is going on, everybody? How's it going, and welcome back to the channel. So today I got a quick haul from Best Buy. Picked up some movies, want to share them with you, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Today is December 15th. It's a Wednesday, 2021. It's the day after Venom came out. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so like I said, today is December 15th. It's a Wednesday, 2021. Yesterday was the 14th, which was Tuesday. Venom came out yesterday. My normal Walmart didn't have Venom at all. Not at all. This is... Oh, I'm surprised it does not say Best Buy on it. It's a generic bag. It is a Best Buy receipt. This was $86.21. So Best Buy actually had some amazing prices on these movies. Walmart, I got the Steelbook, but the normal one's $29.98 for the 4K. This is a 4K Ultra High Def Blu-ray and digital. This one is the Steelbook, and it was $34. This is the Venom Let There Be Carnage, and that Steelbook is just, it's just dope. Let me turn this light off. It's awesome. Turn this light off, there you go. Gonna turn this one to the side. There you go, that is just, it's awesome. You'll love it. Be a nice collector's item. So I picked this one up for $4 more. It's like no-brainer to get the Steelbook. This guy, Free Guy, I love Jason Reynolds. He has awesome movies. He's always entertaining. This is Free Guy. It's a 4K, Blu-ray, and digital. And it is about a video game. It's about him being inside of a video game. Yeah, I've heard it was an awesome movie, kind of fun. I always love his movies. He's always quirky and funny. When are you going to do another Deadpool, bro? When? This is the Ultimate Collector's Edition. This was Free Guy. This guy was $24.99. It was just like insane. Its normal price was $29.99. It had a discount. I grabbed it. And this is the new Suicide Squad. The old one was just called Suicide Squad. This one is called The Suicide Squad. It is the very brand new one. This guy, I could not believe it. It was $19.99 on sale from $29.99. I was like, you know what? Grab it. My wife and I love the Suicide movies, or the Suicide movie, the other one. It was an awesome movie. Free Guy is supposed to be amazing. Me and my kids love the Venom movie, the first one. I'm sure my kids will enjoy this one. And it's got Woody Harrelson in it. I haven't seen Woody Harrelson act in, wow, I don't know, 10 plus years. I'm sure he's probably been in something before then. It's just the last movie I've seen him in was 10 plus years ago. But what do you guys let me know down below if you've already watched these. If you haven't, let me know when you do watch them. This video is not going to come out for a while, so you guys will have plenty of time to go grab them. It's probably going to be like March or April, maybe June of next year when this video comes out, because I schedule everything out. But I saved $15 total, which was pretty awesome. And, I couldn't beat it. And the funny thing was, this Free Guy was actually $19 on the shelf, and Suicide Squad was $24 on the shelf. So, it looks like the price got swapped. Not a big deal. I got the exact same savings, which movie was discounted with whatever price. It wouldn't have mattered. But, you guys let me know down below. I do got, another goodie right here. I sent my wife a message, a voice message and text message, and then sent her some photos. I never ever see this saw any cheaper than $139 normally. This is the Atomic Compact Series DeWalt 4.5 inch saw. I never ever see it that cheap. It's at $99, which is the DCS 571B. 99 bucks. I grabbed it, and I grabbed a couple blades too, some Diablo blades. I wasn't gonna pass that up. I did take the ball joint back though. I got the ball joint that was correct sitting right here. The other one I left with my Napa Rep. And these cotter pins, I buy these cotter pin assortments because I've been using them on ball joints for years, never had any snap on me. And it always takes, when I pry them out, they don't even break, even though I use dikes to pry cotter pins out, like 90% of all mechanics do. Never had any issues with them. I use them for dollies and all kinds of stuff at the house as well. But like I said, the cotter pins were only $23.90, and that's for 144 times 2 for these sizes, and 555 times 2. So, you know, that's 1,110 and 288. So, you know, it's basically 1,288 plus the 1,288 plus the, that's 388, 98. 1,398 is what I got. So it's a pretty good price. Not a bad price at all. And while I got you guys here, give you guys a couple updates. I got 2 spindles sitting here. Here's the broken spindle off Sky. This is a spare spindle. I'm actually going to put this one back in the spare pile because I just don't want to clean the hub assembly, the hub face. I do have to get some of these boxes out in the barn. These boxes are the ones I'm keeping for right now because these are all the tools I bought. I usually keep the boxes for a minimum of 6 months. If I don't have any issues with the tools, I take them back, or I cut the boxes up, take the serial numbers off the boxes. I always take serial numbers off the boxes. So this information right here, serial number, and then I usually cut the serial number, and I will tape this the serial number. I'll cut this piece of the box off, and I will tape it to the front piece like that, so I know what the serial number goes to. I always do that. It's just a habit. This room is pretty full with parts. Lots and lots of parts right here. We got headlights, bumper valances, and all kinds of other stuff over here. We got control arms sitting here. Brand new in-bag control arms. Which these were originally for Sky because I knew that the control arm bushings were bad. Come to find out, I got in a wreck because somebody ran me off the road and ran me into a guardrail, and I flipped. So now I'm gonna keep these until Rose needs them, and then these that are in excellent condition, I'm going to just install back on Sky, which they came off of. I got some emblems and stuff over here. I got a light that I'm actually repairing. I'm trying to get the solar panel to start working again. If I can't, I'm probably just gonna buy a solar panel. These are all just extra boxes I need to shred and put in the burn pile. I got my flex bag right here, full of chargers. I got my Makita charger in here. I have 2 Makita chargers in here. I have the dual Makita charger and the single rapid charger, and then I have the flex charger in here, and then I have a couple smaller chargers in this bag, which is the Metabo HPT chargers. I've got some more added to my pack out stuff I put right here. This guy is the one that came out of Rose that is actually damaged because I actually went to Eric West Toyland Auto in Maricopa, picked up a bunch of parts. He actually threw that in and gave it to me for free because I was spending like $1,000. I gotta go back. I'm gonna end up getting 2 more spindles. Complete spindle, 75 bucks for this. Just this arm right here, which is the spindle, and this piece right here is like $900 from Toyota. It doesn't include the dust shield, it doesn't include the hub, the bearings, nothing. I can get this whole assembly with a ball joint, upper ball joint, and a lower ball joint. He told me 75 bucks. So I'm gonna end up picking 2 4-wheel drive ones up, 4 4-wheel drive ones up, I'm sorry, for 75 bucks a piece. I'm gonna get this one replaced because it's got a huge amount of rust. It's just not worth me repairing at the moment. I did clean it though. It took me 3 can, or almost a full can of, I did a video on it. It took an entire full can, if I remember correctly, of purple Super Clean, the foaming Super Clean. I got another hitch here for any vehicle that may need it. This one is already painted, waiting for Rose. Got lower or upper control arms for the rear. I haven't painted yet. I got the panhard bar for Rose that I did paint and prep that I got from Eric. I got this stuff right here from Eric as well. I got it prepped and painted, made it look nice. The gold plating was still on them, but I stripped it off because I wanted to paint it. And there was a little bit of rust on them, flash rust. Here is the rear lower control arm that I got painted and prepped. I got the bolts sitting in them. Same with this one, I have a bolt sitting in it. But that's just a quick update for everybody. I got 2 cans of mineral spirits, so 2 gallons, and I got 2 cans of paint thinner, which also has mineral spirits in it. I got 2 9-pack rolls of painter's contractor grade painter tape. Got lots of stuff to paint, got lots of stuff to do. But that's all I got for you guys today. I do hope the video was informative. Maybe you guys are looking forward to the DeWalt video. Maybe you guys are looking forward to the control arms video for Sky. Maybe you guys are looking for me, some videos on me fixing Sky and getting her back on the road. Who knows? We're going to be doing lots of stuff on the channel. I just enjoy showing the movies because, you know, I want to get everybody's, you know, take on, you know, if they liked these movies or if they didn't. You know, it always starts a nice conversation when you could just sit there and chit-chat about movies and how you liked some or how you didn't like others. It creates a good conversation. You know, some of y'all may not like this, but it is a part of my channel, electronics. Electronics is everything from cameras to computers to phones, you name it, accessories to automotive and tools, and sometimes construction and gardening and whatever I'm doing that day videos. Most of the gardening and construction things are just showing some of these style tools in use. That's why I do them. But that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope, you know, me talking this fast wasn't too fast for you guys. I do want to get as much information jam-packed into shorter periods because I do know that I tend to get better view ratings or views and or sustained views or watch time when the videos are a little bit shorter. Some videos it's hard to do less than 40 minutes. You know, when you're doing automotive stuff, it always takes 10 times longer to do a video for the job to be done when you're doing a video because you want to get all the angles and everything. But appreciate all of you guys stopping by. You guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Peace! And jelly bean grease. Boom!